Everyone thinks the best-selling indoor bike trainer stands are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Sportneer Bike Trainer. First up is the Sportneer Bike Trainer, priced at $103.99. What caught my eye? It's a bestseller with over 8,200 reviews, so you know it's popular. If you want reliability and solid performance, this is worth a serious look. Now, this trainer fits most road and mountain bikes with wheels ranging from 26 to 28 inches or 700c. The big deal here is the 6 resistance levels, allowing you to switch up your workout intensity quickly with a handy remote. This means you can replicate those challenging hill climbs right at home, which is perfect when you're stuck inside. The quiet magnetic wheel design also means you can really focus on your ride without bothering anyone else. But let's keep it real, some users mentioned it can take a bit of time to find the right setup for their specific bike. Here's the thing though, if you aren't using a through-axle bike, this isn't a deal breaker. Most setups will be straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, quiet trainer at home. Skip this one if you have a through-axle bike and prefer a more universal fit. For the price, it's a solid investment for your indoor cycling regimen. Now, if the compatibility with certain bike types is a concern for you, the next one might actually be even better for broader compatibility. Product number 2, CXWXC Bike Trainer. Next is the CXWXC Bike Trainer, retailing at $96.78. This one also caught my attention with good ratings and a strong build. If you want a sturdy option that's easy to use, this could be your pick. This trainer stands out because it can hold up to 330 pounds, meaning it's built like a tank. The 6 adjustable resistance settings let you tailor your workout to your needs, no matter if you're looking for a light spin or an intense climb. Plus, it's designed for quick setup without tools, so you can literally hop on and go. However, some users pointed out that it can be noisy with mountain bike tires. Here's the thing though, if you're using road tires, you'll be just fine. The noise factor mainly affects those who are less mindful of their tire choice. This is ideal for you if you want a sturdy trainer that's easy to set up. Skip it if you have mountain bike tires and are looking for a quieter experience. It's well priced considering the heavy-duty construction. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a compact design. Product number 3, Thinvik Front Wheel Riser Block. Now let's talk about the Thinvik Front Wheel Riser Block, priced at just $8.99. It's a small investment that can make a big difference. If you want stability during your indoor rides, this is definitely worth considering. This riser block helps keep your bike level, providing a more natural riding position. The skid-resistant design ensures your bike stays put, reducing the chances of any accidents and protecting your floors from scratches. One downside is that it's not compatible with fat bike tires. However, if you're using standard road or slim mountain bike tires, this shouldn't be an issue at all. It's a simple accessory that enhances your riding experience. This is perfect for you if you already have a trainer and need that extra stability. Skip this if you're using a fat bike, as it won't fit. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Now, if you're looking for something that combines a trainer with added features, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, CXWXC Magnetic Bike Trainer. Coming up next is another CXWXC Magnetic Bike Trainer, available at $98.98. It's similar to the previous one, but with a few unique features. If you're after versatility in training, this might be a great choice. This model also supports a weight of 330 pounds and fits a range of wheel sizes, just like the last one. The 6 resistance levels are accessible through a handlebar-mounted controller, allowing you to adjust without getting off your bike. So whether you're simulating flat roads or steep climbs, you can maintain your training regimen effectively. Plus, it's portable and easy to fold away, making it a breeze to store or transport. However, there are some reports of noise, particularly with mountain bike tires. If you're already concerned about noise, this could be a deal breaker. But if you're using road tires, you're likely to have a quiet experience. This is perfect for you if you want an adaptable trainer that's easy to set up and store. Skip this if you typically ride with mountain bike tires and prefer a quieter ride. It's a solid value for those who want flexibility in their training. Now, if you're looking for something premium with noise reduction technology, the final product on our list might just blow you away. Product number 5, Alpker Bike Trainer Stand. Finally, we have the Alpker Bike Trainer Stand priced at $159.95. This one's a bit on the higher end, but it offers some really impressive features. If you're serious about indoor cycling, this is worth a serious look. The Alpker stand is made from stainless steel, which means it's built to last. It has a high-quality flywheel mechanism that mimics real cycling, reducing noise significantly. With 6 fixed resistance levels, you can easily simulate various terrains, making your workouts feel more dynamic. The extra-wide base provides stability, making it safe to use even at high resistance levels. One downside is its higher price point compared to others on this list. However, if you're dedicated to indoor cycling and want a quiet, reliable setup, this could justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a premium trainer that offers durability and low noise. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and looking for a basic setup. The quality here is well worth it if you're serious about your cycling goals. So there you have it, a comparison of 5 fantastic indoor bike trainers. The Sportneer and CXWXC options are great for sturdiness and value, while the Thinvik riser block is a budget-friendly way to enhance stability. The Alpker gives you premium features for serious cyclists. No matter your needs, there's something on this list to help you train smartly indoors.